Your body is always repairing. Even when you're busy, even when you're distracted, even when you're asleep. The problem isn't that the body doesn't know how to heal. The problem is that we rarely give it the conditions it needs. Today's meditation is about stepping out of the way and letting your body do what it already knows how to do. Hey everybody, welcome to today's meditation. I'm Marybeth. I'm a licensed clinical social worker, a coach, a runner. I've created these meditations to help you trust your body's innate intelligence, especially if you spent years overriding signals, pushing through fatigue, or feeling like rest had to be earned. This is day 5 of week 8 in the Living Unmasked series. And today we're practicing something deceptively simple, letting your body repair itself when it feels safe enough to do so. And if these meditations support you, help you soften into your body, or remind you that healing doesn't have to be forced, I invite you to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, where I share practices designed to support nervous system regulation, restoration, and living unmasked with more ease. Now let's go ahead and settle in and begin. Find a position that feels deeply supportive. You may be seated or lying down. Choose what allows your body to rest without effort. If it feels safe, I invite you to gently close your eyes. If not, then soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in through the nose and release it through the mouth. Let that exhale be unstructured. No control, no shaping, just letting go. Before repair can happen, the body needs safety. Notice the space around you, the surfaces holding you, the steadiness beneath you. Let your nervous system register. I am here. I am supported. I do not need to be alert or vigilant right now. Pause here for a breath. We'll begin with a breath that signals restoration. Inhale gently through the nose. Exhale slowly through the mouth, longer than the inhale. Imagine each exhale telling your body, you can begin now. No counting, no striving, just a gentle lengthening of the out-breath. Now imagine your body like a well-designed system working quietly in the background. Cells restoring, tissues recalibrating, systems communicating. Nothing dramatic, nothing rushed. just quiet, intelligent repair happening all the time when the body feels safe. You don't have to direct it. Notice if there's a part of you that wants to help, to fix, to optimize, to make this effective. Gently let that part rest too. Say quietly to yourself, I don't need to manage this. Repair does not require supervision. Allow yourself to rest in non-doing. You're not visualizing outcomes. You're not working on anything. You're simply allowing. Feel the difference between effort and permission. This is where repair happens. Now gently ask yourself, what happens when I stop interrupting the body's wisdom? You don't need an answer. Let the body respond in sensation, in warmth, in ease, or in quiet stillness. Repair often feels subtle, a softening, a deepening breath, a sense of settling. Trust the small signals. The body doesn't announce its work. It just does it. As this meditation begins to close, bring awareness back to your breath, to the support beneath you. This repair continues after the meditation ends. Your body doesn't stop because you open your eyes. When you're ready, gently begin to reorient. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Open your eyes if they were closed. And carry this with you. You do not need to force healing. You do not need to earn repair. Your body knows how to restore itself when you let it. If you'd like more practices that support deep restoration, nervous system safety, and living unmasked with trust, I invite you to please hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. I share meditations designed to help your body do what it does best: heal, restore, and renew. Thank you so much for letting your body repair today. Until next time, I'm Marybeth Rim.